In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Perplexity AI desktop app. We'll move through each click together so you can confidently get the official Windows version from the right place, and I'll point out a few helpful checks along the way. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Perplexity AI. Make sure you're on the official site. Look for the padlock in the address bar and the exact domain name. Using a modern browser helps the page load correctly and ensures you see all the options we'll use. Once the Perplexity homepage is open, look to the bottom left corner of the screen for the profile icon. It appears as a small circular avatar. If your window is very narrow or zoomed in, maximize the browser or reduce the zoom slightly so the lower toolbar is visible. Clicking that profile icon opens a quick menu with account and app options. Depending on your setup, you might see sign-in prompts in this area. Just be aware that the menu we need is attached to that profile spot. From that menu, select Install Apps. This is the shortcut that takes you directly to the official apps and platform page maintained by Perplexity, so you don't have to hunt around different sections of the site. On the apps page, you'll see choices. Choose Perplexity. You may also notice Comet Browser listed here. Comet is an alternative browser experience, but for a straightforward desktop app that brings Perplexity to your computer, the Perplexity option is the one we want. Sticking with the main app keeps the process simple and focused. With Perplexity selected, find the Download on Windows button and click it. The download should start right away. Some browsers will show a small confirmation bar or ask where to save the file. That's normal. If you see a brief security scan from your browser or antivirus, let it complete. If the download doesn't begin, try refreshing the page and clicking the button again. A stable internet connection and a bit of free disk space will help this step finish quickly. That's all you need to do on the website. After the file finishes downloading, you'll have the official Windows installer ready on your machine. Keep track of where your browser saved it so you can access it when you're ready to proceed. Quick recap. Go to perplexity.ai, click the profile icon at the bottom left, choose Install Apps, select Perplexity, and click Download on Windows. Follow these exact clicks and you'll have the Perplexity AI desktop app download secured from the official source.